Now, we typically don't do this on a maintenance clean. This is more of a deep cleaning thing. And if you hire a professional house cleaner, they're also going to do this on a deep clean. And what they're doing is they're taking something and they're going to go underneath your sofas and they're going to go underneath your end tables and they're going to go behind your couch. And here's the reason why. If I'm standing across the room, I can actually see not completely under the sofas, but I can see a good bit. And if there's dust and gunk under there, or if there are dog toys, if there's dog hair, I can see that. Okay. So we want to make sure that we have some kind of a tool that we can get that. Now, I want to share with you one of my favorite tools that we use a lot in homes. And this is a silicone rake. This is called a pet rake. And I do have links to this below. On the other side of it is a squeegee. Okay. So if you have cat and dog hair, and this is flat and it extends, okay, I can extend this to be much longer and it will then go underneath a sofa. It will go underneath bookshelves. It will go underneath like a wine rack or a china hutch or any of those things. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to rake all of the dog hair, all of the cat hair. And if we have a hardwood floor, we're going to use the squeegee part of it. We're going to squeegee all of that out to the front so that it's not hiding underneath. Because here's the catch. If the air kicks on and we can't see it and it kicks on, it's going to blow that all over the house. So even though the house looked clean, when the new prospective buyer and the realtor show up, what they're seeing now is they're seeing like dog and cat hair all over. And they're like, man, this house is a mess. You want to scoop all of that to the front and then you want to sweep it up and put it inside the trash. Okay. So the silicone rake works wonders. If you have lots of dogs and cats, or maybe a couple, but lots of hair, this is a great rake for the carpet. You can use this on Oriental rugs. You can use it on Berber carpet. It doesn't work so well on shag just because the shag is a higher pile of carpet. You're going to need a vacuum for that. But for any kind of a rug, like the front door mat, the entrance mat, the back door mat, if you have a mudroom, any room of your house that has hardwood floor, you can just scoop it up. It'll come up in a great big pile and you scoop it up with a dustpan or your hands. If you have like latex or nitrile gloves on, just scoop that right up and put it inside the trash can. And that works wonders as a quick pickup. So it's a favorite rake of mine for so many reasons, but I love it because it goes underneath the sofas and it goes underneath the chairs and it goes underneath all of the heavy furniture that is like 2 or 3 inches off the floor.